Hey guys, welcome back. It's Monday. How's it going? Shoot. I'll be dang. How was you guys' weekend? Full disclosure, I didn't record on Friday because I actually had the day off Friday and I wanted to hang out with my wife and do some stuff. So, Friday wasn't a thing. I said I'd be back playing some Stranded Deep today, and that's what I'm doing. Playing some more Stranded Deep. Last time we left off, I think I was trying to build the rudder for this boat. And I don't think I had the rocks to do it. I think that's what it was. So, we're gonna... I want to say we're gonna sail off, just go get some rocks, but I don't have any storage for anything. Also, new setup. You can see me now because I now have two monitors, and my TV that I was using to play on is behind me currently. I was supposed to put it up on the wall this weekend, but you know how that stuff works. You say you'll do one thing, and then you never go around to it. Alright, throw those in there. I think I pretty much need the rest of this. I do. Okay, by the way, the day my last Stranded Deep video I made, I was saying, oh, I need to make a pickaxe, I don't have any stone. I opened up one of my boxes and had like 3 pieces of stone in there, so I picked up those stones and made a little pickaxe. So yeah, that's why I have a pickaxe. Alright, hold up. Before we just take off, I needed the rudder. Which I can make, it's just sticks. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, I remember now. I was gonna destroy the anchor that I had, build a new one, and then build a rudder. Okay, yeah. I got it now. Okay, don't know what island I want to go to. Do I just sail over to that one? I think I do. Alright, I'm gonna sail over to this island, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I made it to the next island. Took me a little bit. I kind of went off course. I was going to that one, but my boat, since I don't have... Excuse me. The rudder just kind of drafted me over to this one, and I was like, whatever, there's probably rocks on this one too. Alright, let's see, I need 6. If I'm not mistaken. Oh, there was. Okay, hold on. Sweet. Now I can get rock deposit. It's kind of clutch. I like that, actually. Hopefully this gives me 6 rocks, though. Nice. Okay, is that 6 rocks? That's 5. I need one more. Aha! Okay, let's build the rudder. I need sticks. Give me a minute. Let me go get some sticks. I was just looking at it, I thought. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay. Get out here and... Should I grab a few more sticks? I'm probably gonna grab a few more sticks just in case I need them. That tree only had 2 sticks. Are you kidding me? Okay. Okay. What was that? Is that a... Whoa! Oh my god, there's a plane on this island! What? Anything good? I don't know. I'm just gonna pick it up. That's kind of clutch. We'll use that as our reward once we get our raft built right. Let's see what's in it. I just happened to see the shadow down there when I was shining my flashlight. See, you can kind of see like the outline of it. First I thought it was the reflection from this, but then I was like, it kind of looks like the wing of a plane. Sweet. Make that clutch. Alright. Anchor. I can only place on the back, so I'm gonna try something. Oh, I need 14 sticks. Are you kidding me? No. I'm not gonna make this yet because if I take that old anchor off, it's just gonna sail away. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna craft up some more rope, build me another wood foundation, so that way my boat might be bigger. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna throw this box down right here, just for now. Let's see. Did my axe really just break? It did. Awesome. Well, that was nifty. Let me build another axe now. Goodness. Okay, I see 2 of those, which is just 2 stone. Excuse me. Alright, I'm not gonna let you guys watch this, but I'm gonna cut to me building, or once it's all built, and then we'll be rolling from there. I'm gonna put the rudder down, and then this bad boy will be complete. Alright. Bop! Let's raise the sail. Hold X to operate. Oh, we can turn. Whoop, whoop. Got us a better raft now. Don't mind the difference in floors. I couldn't find any planks, so I made another raft floor. And, shoot, dang, we're kind of scooting now. I wonder if I can build another sail. Let's check real quick. Oh, I need cloth. I don't have any cloth. Well, real quick, like I promised, I want to see what's inside this little box that I got. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, shit. This cloth. Yes! Yes! Hold on, let me pick you up. That's so clutch. Holy crap. wonder if I lower this one. I wonder if I move 10 times quicker now because I've got 2 sails. I'm going to retrieve my anchor. I go about the same speed. It's a little janky raft for now, but hey, it gets me from point A to point B real quickly. Like, I'm almost to this island over here. Adios. Hasta luego. Goodbye. Bon voyage. This is awesome. I love this raft. It's so much better than that stupid little paddle raft you get. We gotta spend like an eternity scooting everywhere. I can tell though from my water on my watch that I need water soon. Might gather some resources on this island and like kind of fortify the raft more and make it a little bit bigger. But yeah, I love this raft. Holy shoot. Look at this. We got over there to here in like no time. That was just freaking awesome. I'm not showing it in my face, but this is a lot of fun. I've never gotten this far in the game. Oh, whoa, what's that up there? What is that? I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna drop anchor right here. How do I... Oh, there we go. I'm gonna drop this box. Let me raise you guys up. And I'm gonna drop you. Anything useful up in here? Not really. Okay. Let's go see what that is. Dang, bro swims faster than the raft moves. Alright. Oh, planks. Planks are very useful, I've noticed. Raft floor, yes. I'll make a raft floor of scrap metal. A refined spear? Yes, sir! Holy crap! Some baked beans. I don't want the vehicle fuel part, but I will take that box. A crude axe. Let's see. So this scrap metal. These planks in here. And one of these axes. I'll pick that up. Dude, that's crazy. Like, seems like other people crashed here too, but they're not as freaking Chad as me. So obviously they didn't survive that long. Dude, this island's sick. Now I'm just wondering why I can't sprint. Is it because my guy needs rest? Goodness. Let's see what it takes to build a shelter real quick. Sticks and those little palm things. Alright. Can I chop this tree down? No, of course not. Is this a good source of water right there? Oh yeah. Swipe this bad boy up. Slurp. Nice. Build us a little tent real quick. Save it. And sleep. Day 6. Okay, yeah, now I can sprint. I figured that's what the problem was. Oh, I'm low on water. I need a coconut. Sprint this bad boy. Alright, let's explore this island a little bit more. Ooh, this is scrap metal. Yes. Give me that. Sorry, I'm trying to make, like, my raft's gonna look janky as heck, but I'm trying to build, like, a scrap metal base frame around it. Probably be more protected. I don't know if there's creatures out in the water or not, but... It's crazy. I haven't seen any wildlife since I started playing. Can I get up on these rocks? I can. I wonder if there's anything up there. I don't think I can climb that far, though. Let's check it out. Ooh, parkour. Ooh. Dude, they better give me something for climbing all the way up here. Holy shoot. I didn't think I could get up here. Oh, what? Word. Oh, wait, hold on. What is this? An egg? No snap? Eggs up here? Yo, we about to be eating breakfast good now. Yo, we about to have us some scrambled eggs. If I could... Come on, just pick up the egg. Pick up the egg. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. I was expecting like a better weapon or something, but eggs are cool too. I think that's all that's up here is eggs. Okay, well, I'm just gonna leave these eggs here. I already kind of filled up my inventory with like 6 of them. So we're just gonna waddle on back down here. I guarantee you later on I'm gonna figure out that eggs are good for something. Oh! I think I broke something! Oh boy, okay, okay. Don't panic. We don't panic here. I need 2 sticks. There's one. I don't have any room. I got too many eggs. Alright, here's 1 stick. When I fell, the only thing that went through my head was the guy from SpongeBob was like, "My leg!" It's the only thing that went through my head when he fell. Well, I gotta mope around for a second until I find me another stick so I can make a splint. Oh, a stick. I can craft a splint. I'm getting pretty good at this game, not gonna lie. Oh yeah, look at that. Just bandaged me right on up. I don't know how the split works very well, but dude, what a Chad! Just freaking breaks his leg, throws a split with rope and sticks on there. It's like, all right, just takes off full on sprinting. Dude, this guy's freaking goated. All right, well, I've done pretty much all recon I could on this island. I think it's time for me to go back to mine. Alright. Oh no, that's just the other one, okay. Do this. There's some sails, and we're gonna scrap doodle back on over to my island. Unless there's a box in this boat or planks, then I'm gonna stop and grab them. Maybe that piece of cloth. I'm so sorry, I did not see any of this stuff a minute ago. Nothing useful? Nothing useful? Nope. Alright. Oh, another piece of cloth. Good thing I double checked. Let's get back to our island. Oh, home away from home. Alright, I'm gonna cut back to me at my island here in a minute, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we made it back to our island. Whew. Home away from home. Got us a pimpin' ass boat. Pimpin' heckin' boat. My bad. I apologize. Oh, that's good coffee. Got some one. So I didn't know it, but that island right there out in the distance was the island I ended up going to. Yeah, it was a ways out there. I'm gonna go ahead and drop me anchor. Stop operating. Pick this bad boy up. Alright. Some stuff I need to do now. I am dying of dehydration. Oh gosh, that's not good. Is this even my island? This is not my island. Is it my island? Yes, this is my island. That's just yucca. I don't think I can chop these trees down. Darn. And I don't think I got any spare ones that I could use to... Oh, no, I can still drink from it though. I saved a little bit in there. Smart. Okay, as I was driving over here, I started to think, I don't think I'm gonna live on an island. I think I'm just gonna live on my raft, and kind of like the game Raft, you know what I'm talking about? So, that might be what I do. I might just live on the raft. It's easy, I can build on the raft, I can build foundations on it. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just looking for scrap metal so I can make like scrap metal foundations. The only thing that sucks is I'm probably gonna have to... I'll be dead, okay. I can make a boat motor. I'm gonna need all this stuff though, so I'm gonna have to empty out a box. Real quick. Excuse me. Antidote. I'm going to need a coconut flask and whatever flour that was. I think I've got all the stuff here to make the thing. Holy crap, hold on. Yo, hold on. Okay, I have the filter. Oh, I don't have any room. Okay, put the planks in there. Cloth. And you. Okay, I got the filter. I got the fuel one. I got the engine. Got the duct tape, and that's it. The only thing I'm missing is, I think, the battery. That's the only thing it looks like I was missing. Oh my gosh, yes, I have the duct tape. All I'm missing is the freaking battery. Okay, hold on. New plan here. We are... Okay, I don't have enough sticks to make any kindling, do I? So I can eat. Let's take some baked beans and my guy will be okay. Sorry, I'm thinking at the moment, I think I'm gonna drop all this stuff over here, used, and stupid eggs. I don't know why I picked up these eggs. There, and then I can drop the spear. So I got a better one now. Sweet. Drop that. Yeah, it's one stick. I think I'll be okay without one stick. Let's see. You, and you. I'm gonna drop. Drop. Alright, then I'm gonna put everything for the boat that I have in here. I got the vehicle fuel part, the engine part, and the filter. Oh, no. Drop that. Open. And... I did not need to put my flashlight in there. The only thing I'm missing is the engine, I think. Is it the engine? Let's see. I have the duct tape in there, the vehicle engine part, I have the filter, and then I have the fuel part. Did I put the fuel in there? Filter, fuel, engine, yep. Pick that box up. Pick that one up. So, well, it has another slot in it, so I might... Is that the right one? Nope. It's not the right one again. Dang it. I have one more slot. I can put something in there, and I think I'm going to use it for my hammer. Okay. Probably take that and use it because my health's kind of low. Never mind, I can't use it. Oh well, bandages are easy to make. Scrap. All my scrap and wood planks is going to go in here. Label maker, a compass, a fuel part, baked beans. Grab a flare gun. Don't know if I'll need it. Don't know what it's used for. And then these, because these things help you cure poison if you step on one of those bad boys right there. Alright, well, game. It's been fun here. We'll take a snooze and then we're gonna move on to bigger, better things. Alright. Shall we? What I'm gonna do is basically just stop like island to island and see what I can do from there. And if I die, I die. If I don't, I mean, I need to build a little thing on the boat so I can respawn on the boat. But I think it's based off of your saved data. Here we go. Bunch of nomads now. Let's should we do this? Oh, don't beach the boat. Don't beach the boat. Don't beach the boat. That'd be awful. Alright. We're off. I'm cutting back in. I found it. Dog. Oh my gosh. Get back to the boat. God, that's crazy. I forgot I found a vehicle engine part on this island and I just left it here. Dog. Oh my gosh. And there was gas in there too. I'm at a loss for words now. I'm excited, but I'm like not because I'm worried. Okay, let me go first person so I can build this. Pop. Wait, how do I... Can I just get rid of this completely? Do I have to hit it with a hammer? Maybe this. Yes. Oh, wait! What?! I'm not going down there, but I could have done that the whole time! And got all my resources. This game is not very fun, I'm forgetting. Got one stupid stick in there. Let's build this. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Boom! Yes! Check it out. Check it. Check it. Check it. Is this an empty gas? How do I fill it up? Or can I just operate it until it runs out of gas? It's full. Am I good to go? Oh, wait a minute. I'm not. Wait. Hold on. How do I put gas in it? I got a metal fuel can useful for topping up an engine's fuel tank. Oh, it doesn't have any fuel. It's just you put gas in it. It doesn't have any fuel in it. Oh. Well, we got the electric motor built. That's good. I'll throw this flare gun in here. Dang, I'm good. I'm so freaking good. What a good day. This has been a good video so far. Besides the fact that I am dying of dehydration. It's okay though. It's okay. We'll come over here, we'll make a little water still real quick and not step on that thing. You can't put a water still on the boat. What? Oh, wait a minute. It gave me the prompt to a minute ago. That's so, like, not clutch. That's not cool at all. And where did my boxes go? Oh my gosh. Did I knock my boxes off into the water over there? I hope not, because I had a lot of good stuff in them. Okay, yeah, I need to build a bigger raft, and I'll be right back, because I think I just knocked those boxes off, which had my really good hammer in it, and then scrap metal, and cloth, or my planks. So yeah, that's a massive letdown. Dang it. Okay, yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and get to building all this stuff. Okay, so I'm back. Took me a minute to do all this, but so far this is all I got. It's not great, but it's also not terrible either. Like, I could put this up here, I think. I'm not sure if you could build on the rafts or not. That's one thing I'm really kind of skeptical about. Let's see. I can test it out real quick and build a foundation. Nope. You cannot build on the rafts. Did not know that. So I just left my home in place of nothing. Surely they'll let you build on it. Nope. That's a bummer. I mean, I don't know. They might let you build things like campfires and all that. Let me check. Nope. Can't even build a campfire on it. Goodness gracious. This is kind of turning out not so good now. So basically what we need to do is just find a really big island that I can stay on, because it's got to have a lot of resources, because that one I was at I couldn't stay on, so I have to keep going back and forth to islands. And let's see, I started at like 8 something, it was 9:40. We'll go ahead and go try and find our island, and then I'll be right back. I've been staring at this thing since I've been floating on my boat, and I have no idea what it is. At first I thought it was another boat. It looks like a giant boat, but that looks like a giant island. I think that might be our island. That might be a boat. I think that's a giant crashed boat. Yo, hold up. I hope there's resources on this boat. Alright. I'm gonna cut back when I'm on the boat in there. I'll be right back. Civ. Holy crap. I thought the crashed plane was like the best part of the video in making this, but oh my gosh, it's like a giant naval carrier that's crashed on the island. Holy shoot. You know there's about to be some loot in this thing. The weird part is, how do you get in it? I don't know how to get in it, to be honest. I'm just gonna turn right here, drop my anchor. Oh boy, I'm low on food and water. Oh goodness. Alright, let's open. Looks like you just walk right up in it. Okay, that makes it more convenient. I like that. Okay. What we got up in here? Can I make that jump? I can't. Yo. Okay, hold up. Those doors are closed. Any other doors? Keep leading up. That's fine. Well, let's take it upwards. wish I could find some. Ooh, is there food and water in here? Nope. Golly. Can I open this? Whoa! They like triggered a little cutscene. Is that gas up there? Oh my goodness, I can repair a plane. What? Fuel. Is this all they get? Is this it? Like there's no like items for me to take up here? Like what's this? Just an empty box? Well, darn, I might die of hunger and starvation. That's a bummer. Unless there's a way up to like that command center up there maybe. Let's check. There's gotta be more to this than just this thing, right? I think this is how you beat the game, how you fly out of here, okay. If I had to guess, that's what I would guess, to escape the island. Okay, I don't think there's anything more else on this boat, so I need to hurry up and get back to my boat and scoot off to probably that island over there, so that way I can get food. Oh boy, you can't just jump down to the water. Of course you can't. That sucks a lot. Hey, I thought that would be something good, but it's not. What I think I'm going to do is go over to this island over there and at least make a little shelter so that way I can save the game. So that way in case I do die, I die like, while the game was saved. Sorry, I'm back. Sorry, I was like dying of dehydration and thirst, so that once I got to the island, it's the first thing I did was run over here. I'm gonna go back to first person. This island actually has some goodies on it, it looks like. What's in this? I need food. Can I drink that coconut? I have water, now I just need food. I'm really banking on this crashed boat out here to have like a ration or something in it. If not, I'm gonna have to... Yeah, I missed him. Oh well. He'll be back. Stinking flare gun. We don't need no stinking flare gun. Binoculars, yes. And an air tank. Binoculars I will take because I could not see what that boat was. I thought it was a big island from far away. The binoculars are kind of clutch. I like that. Okay, looks like this fine fella right here already had the kindling. There's a rock. I'm gonna go gather some wood, some rocks. Bye. And there's some kindling. I'll just keep this in this box right here until I'm ready to use it. Okay. Kind of pick this box up. Drop it right there. Nice. Now it's time to save. Alright, game saved. And one other thing I probably should build one here. I don't have any. Okay. That's fine, that's fine. I'll just keep cracking open these coconuts. Just hope I don't get diarrhea. Okay, we're chilling for now. We ate a little bit of raw potatoes, had a little bit of coconut juice. A lot of excitement going on today, but I think I'm actually going to end it here today. I had a lot of fun. Explored some new places. We need to find gas so our boat can scoot. So gas is the main priority that I'm going to try and find next episode. So that way, you know, you guys can actually watch me drive over to another island or drive out at sea and see what's up. But for now, I'll probably be back with Ark tomorrow. Maybe Minecraft. I haven't forgot about Minecraft. It's just I played Ark all weekend long. Like I played the Extinction map. It's fun. That's my new favorite map is the Extinction one. If you guys want to see a gameplay video of my Extinction Ark map, let me know. And I'll post it tomorrow. But for now, I hope you guys had fun watching the video. And I'm at 22 subscribers. 25, and I'm giving away the gift card. Just tell your friends, subscribe, comment down below so I know who it is. And I hope you guys have a terrific Monday. Have a good day.